This video represents two families of fish, the pipefish and the ghost pipefish. Here you see a pipefish, and another form of a pipefish is the seahorse, which is familiar to a lot of people. Another family are the ghost pipefishes. They're quite closely related to pipefish. Here's another species of the ghost pipefish. Now, pipefish in general have cylindrical bodies that are covered by bony scutes or rings of bone, which makes for a hard exoskeleton. Their mouths are drawn out into a tube-like apparatus, which they use to suck up small crustaceans. They swim with an undulating motion, which is considered to be fairly primitive in the fish world. It's seen in eels and some sharks. But they have a lot of specializations, including their reproductive behavior, and also a loss of fins in some cases. Now here is a seahorse, and you can see the tail is quite different. It actually is prehensile, meaning you can wrap around objects to remain stationary. Their head is bent downwards, and in this case the male incubates the eggs. So the eggs are placed into the male's pouch by the female, and then it's fertilized. Pipefish generally are found together. This is called the ringed pipefish, and you can see the tail is more of a fan-shaped. Now, another very small and cryptic type of pipefish is called the mushroom coral pipefish. Very unusual, but it's quite small, worm-like, but it is a pipefish, and it's found within the tentacles of certain types of coral. This is the most familiar to a lot of people type of pipefish. Now, ghost pipefish are quite different. They're very cryptic in that they blend in, especially with things like crinoids, which are the bluish type of structures. They're generally found in pairs, and the larger is always the female. The ghost pipefish change sex during their life. They change, in this case, they change from male into female, and the female grows very rapidly, so it very quickly gets bigger than the male. And there's also some evidence that there is selection by the females for males, which is different than in most types of fishes. So these fish, very cryptic. You don't see them that much when you're diving. They're found only in the Indo-Pacific. In this case, unlike the male pipefish, in the ghost pipefish, it's the female that incubates the eggs, although she does have a pouch formed from the pelvic fins. There are no pelvic fins in pipefish, but ghost pipefish have them, and it forms a pouch. This is a different type of ghost pipefish called a robust pipefish, and again, the larger of the two is going to be the female, and they can change color to some extent. Sometimes the male and female are different colors in the robust pipefish, but in the other type, which is called the ornate ghost pipefish, they don't change color. So here, I believe this is the female, and you can see it's got a very specialized mouth parts for sucking prey in. This is a different color. They can change color, but it's not very rapid. The color change occurs over hours. Now here you see like an example of two pipefish that are different colors. These are the robust pipefish again. And there are the two, the male and the female. The male is above. And so this is quite an interesting group of fish. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe or share with someone. Thank you. Bye.